What's up, y'all? It's Mel and Keisha back with another Eating Chat. I'm Mel,
I'm Keith.
and this is a walk in the fat woman's shoes. How y'all doing out there, MK Saints, visitors? Welcome to another episode of Mel and Keisha Eating Chat.
The walking the power of my shoes.
Today's Eating Chat, we went to the Kroger and we got us some sushi. Now, today I had stopped buying Kroger sushi because he was just putting out mediocre, common,
Right.
plain stuff. But I guess his truck came today. Because today he did the salmon tartare and he did this roll personally for Keisha.
Yeah, because this truck ain't ever there. Ever there.
Um, I got this salmon tartare sushi, and I also have the California roll. I got these ball shrimp from Dan's the other day.
Mine is called the Rainbow Roll, and this is the Shaggy Dog Roll.
Okay. Um, I got some sauce to dip my shrimp in. I got my wasabi stuff. I have not put the wasabi in it yet. But that's what that is. Y'all wanna see this? That's what that look like. I'm guessing maybe it's a California roll topped with salmon and avocados with spicy meal. And some sesame seed oils. Well, sesame seeds.
We drinking on that good old H2O. Big Girl is not here, but she will do what? Save you
Nothing.
in a crisis. Yes, she will. Yes, she will. How to get a big girl, a big soul, a big baby, or even a male baby will be in the description box below. So you're going to click that link. You're going to get yourself one. You owe it to yourself. Go on, do it. Go on, do it. You ready? You ready? Come on, girl. God is good. God is great. Thank you for the meal about your seed. Bless your holy name. Bless your prayers. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. So what's going on with you guys tonight? Let us know what y'all eating and if y'all eating with us. Also let us know what's going on. Y'all nigga the woods house, you wasn't drinking. And what y'all do today? Y'all know I wanna know. I'm nosy. I'm nosy. Y'all know I'm nosy. What? What? I'm sorry, what? Oh Lord, you are so dumb. You stupid. Anyway, y'all, I am wearing one of my Timu shirts. I'm wearing my Timu outfit. It says, I googled my symptoms. Turns out I just need a Dr. Pepper. That's me all day, y'all. But I can't do it. I can't do it. I mean, I'm already messing and violating, eating this kind of stuff. So don't need to make it worse. Just go put my stuff over like that, girl. I don't know you like that, black. He made this one for me. I have not been eating sushi, right? And this is my first time in a long time eating sushi. And because every time I go there, I just basically want the shrimp roll, right? Just the ebi or whatever. And he never has it. He can never make it. He can never make it. But we busted his ass today. We busted him making sushi and stuff. So I'm like, I want the ebi. I just want the shrimp. But, you're like, yes, this right here. I'm like, no, I want just this, just this. He's like, you want avocado? I say, you know what? It is what it is. I eat avocado too, so it is what it is. It's a good fat, so. And then, as y'all can see, you, I have the wasabi and soy sauce mixing. I was mixing it because, instead of putting it pretty like it's in here, the wasabi and ginger, he just plopped it and plopped it, and it's all on my food, man. So
He didn't make the wasabi good today. He put too much water in it.
so
But
it's not as hot.
oh no, it's hot.
Uh,
Oh, it is hot.
Oh wow. That's to get rid of the splinters if they have any. Like that's so you don't get no splinters while eating
Nope.
it. The little wooden shards. I'm not good with this, so it is what it is. Oh, let me give me some ginger, ginger
Oh, and he put eel sauce on it too.
on your stuff. You know what? I don't mean I like that.
Mm-mm-mm. Y'all had good weather?
Who's my stuff?
It started out pretty cool, but as we were coming home, it turned a little warm.
Mm-hmm.
Just a little. We saw a friend of ours we hadn't seen in a while because she had gotten into an accident. And now she back.
Mm-hmm. You know what? Let me take. I'm trying to take this off, y'all.
And which we didn't need nobody to tell us. We kind of already knew that a lot of drivers had gotten fired because we hadn't been seeing them.
Right.
But we've been seeing a whole lot of new people.
Should we even been in some? All right, baby.
All
What's
right.
up? What you think? Some of them drivers look nervous.
They might be.
Yeah, some of them just look like they're nervous for nothing. She said a whole what was that? The first crew, her whole first crew of the of drivers was fired. I'm like, wow. Y'all took all the old drivers and y'all didn't bring all them back. Y'all got these new drivers now. Y'all got more new drivers because y'all had to fire them for the ones that y'all had already had. That didn't make no sense, but it is what it is.
Some of the old drivers didn't want to work for him.
That's stupid. That's stupid. Cause from what I hear, and it's not just one person, it's several people said that this man have a better benefits package than what they had before. So I'm not making a connection. Why wouldn't you want to work with this man? Work for this man, and you have better health insurance,
Better pay.
better pay. Then you have PTO, paid time off. Really? And you don't want to work for this man? Look, you get what you get.
Y'all forgive me, cause I take the cucumber off
Ooh,
because
that's that wasabi right there.
cucumber has not been my friend since I got my teeth pulled. So Sometimes I can eat it, sometimes I can't.
It's good. I haven't had sushi in so long, no. Stuff I haven't had in a while, and I go and I eat it,
I'm trying to
I
remember
pay for it.
where we was going that day I first saw that little bitty puppy.
What that puppy?
Across the street.
Oh, we probably was going to the store.
I started not to go with you because I was going to steal him.
No, she wasn't, y'all.
Yes, I was. He wasn't going to know. He was out the yard. He was going to be like, my puppy missing. And I'd have been like, when he come to the door,
You always said, but baby, you ain't that type of person.
no, I'm not.
I'm doing this because my hand is numb.
He showed me a dog in his yard. He told me it was a Connie Corso. And I looked at that dog, and I was like, are you sure? He
Yeah, because
said,
that don't look like your brother, though.
well, his ears aren't cut.
Okay.
But my brother dog was way bigger than that at 6 months old.
Yeah.
We gonna see. Ironically, he looks like my brother dog.
He said that dog is one, right?
Huh?
He said that dog won, right?
Right. I could have sworn his dog been in the yard longer than a year.
Mm.
Cause,
Excuse me, y'all. I'm just going to use my hands. That's not working for me.
Cause he was in the yard last year when the mother puppies was born.
Okay. The little dog?
No,
Mm.
the Connie Corso.
Mm-hmm.
But he was smaller. But he should be bigger than that at a year.
Yeah.
Like, where did you get him from? I knew he gonna breed him. I can't wait. Maybe I should wait that little out.
You think?
Mm-hmm. And if he breed him with that fawn he got, that's gonna be some beautiful puppies. But if you notice, this Connie Corso was the less aggressive dog on the yard. You know, when we came over there, he just looked, hey, how you doing?
Yeah. Because he was calling them.
And he wouldn't come out.
Mm-mm. I mean, the dog did come out like, what, bro? Yeah, yeah, that's my Connie Coastal. And the dog was like, mm-hmm. You see me. Now, can I go back? Can I go back to doing what I was doing? He was minding his business. The other dog, the other dog was right there looking and stuff, but that dog was like, man, I was minding my business, man. Won't you let me get back to minding my business, bro? He's like, I wasn't telling you nothing, I wasn't doing nothing.
It amazed me I unimagine if people can be what naming their dogs.
Oh, them names was ridiculous. But I did like the girl name. The little girl. I liked her name.
What was her name?
Clutch.
Clutch. I wanted Clutch, but
I did. I wanted her
that's who was
and
out the
Fat
yard.
Daddy.
That's the one I want. I told him I wanted Fat Daddy. Now I gotta convince these people to let me have him.
Yep. I do. I want one of them. And if he's willing to, you know,
He told me he was just gonna catch him and give him to me. We'll work something out later.
okay, well,
And that's what I was telling him. I thought Clutch was a boy. And I was telling him, look, we can breed whenever you want. It don't matter. You could come see him if you want, but that dog's potential is wasted with you.
right.
All you gonna do is put him on the chain in the yard. I want to train this bitch. I want this bitch to be my purse. You know what I'm saying? That's what I wanted to do with dumbass. But he just too hyper.
Yeah.
He's too hyper. And people be like, you can train that out of him. Yeah, but why make him not be true to who he is?
Right.
He need to be with somebody who won't do agility training and stuff. Cause that's what he's.
Why basically turn him into something he's not.
Excuse me. Cause he loves to jump. He loves to go under things. Like, he always be up under the table by me and shit. Baby, you too big to be going up under the table now. And that's one of the spots we didn't want him to be at. But he loved being under the table. I'm like, what the fuck? You know?
Right. What is it about under the table that you have to be there?
See, look. He don't even roll his shit good. Look. My sushi roll. Look.
Coming apart.
It's apart. Here go half of it.
Here, I say it's apart.
And look. Here go the other half of it. And this is all I got left. Which is not no problem to me.
Wasabi.
My son be tripping. Like, I literally gave my son a pound of meat that he could cook. And he like, no, I'm just gonna go to Whataburger.
I don't understand. You work there. And you've been working there for a while now. Aren't you burnt out? I don't work there. And I'm burnt out. I'm burnt out from what you're burnt. I'm burnt out.
They be, I'm going to Whataburger, you want me to get you something? I be like, don't you bring me shit.
Right, don't bring me now. Don't bring me now.
Every now and then, I'll tell them, bring me the water wings or a grilled chicken sandwich or a salad. But other than that, I don't want nothing. I don't want no burger. You can keep them fries. You can keep them onion rings.
I don't want nothing.
You can keep that fucking Mondo jug of cold drink you bring
Right.
here.
I don't want nothing. And the main thing that they bring me is, it ain't no secret. It's the patty milk. I want that shit. I done had so many damn patty milks from that place. I don't want to look at a patty milk. I don't.
And I don't know.
My son was like, Mama, you know my brother working on grill. I'm
Did
gonna
he?
hook you up. I'm gonna bring you a patty milk. I said, Basta! Basta! He was like, Mom, you call my basta? I'm like, no. Basta. I said, that is enough in Italian. Enough of that bull. I don't
Man.
want it.
And yo, they Whataburger ain't even a good one.
Oh no, Dwayne's is.
You think?
It's better than theirs. Cause at least they have ice that I like. Cause I don't get nothing but the patty milk and the ice. So, you know, and they ain't gonna lie, they have good ice. No. But I still don't want that. I don't care what your burger it is. I don't want it. Mm-mm. Courtesy. Are we going almost out of town next week? I said, what you mean? He said, are we going to Rockwall next week? I said, boy, no. I said, we are not.
You riding with him to Rockwall?
Oh! Baby, look. Curtis gave me a whole nother personality. I have enough personalities roaming through my head. I don't need another one. Then Curtis did. Curtis gave me another one. He gave me a Karen quiche. Mm-mm.
So you don't want to ride with him?
Do you?
I've never really, well, I've rode with him before.
He
But-
said, oh, Lord, that was Friday. Oh, God. He said he do not drive when you're in the car. You have to drive. He said, "Oh, that one time was enough."
But he say he's better, so why she looking at me like that?
Don't believe that if you want to get.
So you don't think he's better?
I have some oceanfront property in Arizona I could sell you.
What?
If you believe that. If you really believe that. I really do.
So you don't think he got no better?
I don't know. I mean, I haven't been in the car with him, but at the same time, still.
I don't know.
Well,
I just know the day I rode with him, I know I was like, when you play GTA, you must just run all over the curb and shit. Because that's how he was driving his car.
mm.
And tell you the truth, he was mad with me because we was going into a curve. And I guess he didn't see it. And I'm like, what the hell you got glasses for?
Oh, man, really?
But He had been driving for over a month by the time I rode with him. Like that shouldn't have been an issue. Like then he gonna get mad with me because he would be driving in 2 lanes. I was like, son, you can't do no shit like that.
Right.
You ain't see yesterday? Well, not yesterday. That day, that day Andre came got us. Where we went?
Which one?
Which one? What?
AJ? AJ Andre?
Adrian, Montgomery.
Oh. Girl, I don't know.
That's the day I saw the puppy. That was about 2 weeks
You're not
ago.
talking about when we went to Tom huh?
No, because Lonzo wasn't with us.
Hmm. Oh, girl.
And was it?
Yeah, I don't know.
That's how I know them puppies older than what he said. Because I saw that puppy about 2 weeks ago.
Oh, okay. Mm-mm.
No. Man. I should have looked at the little bastard's teeth. He
Hey,
talking.
man, wasabi.
2 of them puppies he showed us looked like they was eating dirt. Like they stupid.
Oh, good Lord.
Like they was special.
Maybe.
Well, no, I guess not. But at 3 weeks old, they don't have teeth to eat food. You know, like at 3 weeks old,
Mm-hmm.
they literally just having their gums broken. But shit.
Oh, good. How you shrimp?
Mm, I read better. Man, I noticed
Whew.
that it's coming up on Easter. Nobody is talking about Easter.
Right. Nobody
Like,
saying that?
like, is that one of those PC things we put on the back shelf?
Easter? Mm-mm.
Because, look here. they do it to Christmas, and that's the birth of Christ. This is the resurrection of Christ, and you know, you look around, they're celebrating St. Patty's Day more than they're celebrating
Right.
Easter.
Right.
Like the only people really celebrating Easter are people who can make money from it.
Right. Well, I'm celebrating Easter. I'm not, if it's feasty, then oh well, because I celebrate Easter. I do. We celebrate Easter in this house. We celebrate all of those holidays. So I'm celebrating Easter, and I don't
All
think
of our
it's
holidays.
feasty like Mardi Gras, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, Christmas, Thanksgiving. What it is? What it?
I
Hanukkah,
have
Halloween.
I have a different list than you, cause I do New Year's.
I celebrate everything. I ain't. I do.
Depending on how things go, I do New Year's, uh, my anniversary, Valentine's Day,
Yeah. Okay.
Easter.
Yeah, I forgot about
Well, before Easter,
Valentine's Day.
Good Friday,
Yeah.
and I think that's a personal thing for me doing Good Friday because Good Friday was when my family used to get together. Like everybody come in, everybody come. We go to my grandma's house in the country, and most of the kids come in,
Mm-hmm.
and we would celebrate Good Friday together. You know, big crab ball, big crawfish ball, um, fish fry, turtle stew. Hmm.
No, man.
Well, we looking for a
Man,
new
turtle
turtle
stew.
cook. Cause Junebug always burn the turtle. And
You think he burned it because he don't like it?
I think he burned it because he don't know what he doing. I haven't had his turtle stew in a while, so I don't know if he still burned it. And Claron had took over the turtle cooking. My uncle, by marriage, my aunt's husband, but he passed a while back, about maybe
Yeah.
5, 6 years ago. So we don't have a turtle cook. Um, we do that, and sometimes we would spend the night, depending on how much our driver was drunk, which was my daddy, or you know, we did every other year, or every other holiday. Like we'll do Christmas in New Orleans one year, and the next year we do it in Church Point. Then if we did Thanksgiving, nobody would get all the holidays in one year. They would mix them up. We always did New Year's in New Orleans. Wait, no. We did a couple in the country, but
It was made in New Orleans.
yeah.
Okay.
And but Good Friday. Now sometimes we would stay till Easter. Like I said, I think that mostly was that her my that was my my paternal grandmother holiday because I remember at least 5 years. I guess she got Easter and my mama got Christmas. That was my daddy's mother, my grandmother, favorite holiday. And I guess Christmas was my mama's. Every now and then we would go to the country for either one. But yeah, thank you, Lord, when I got old enough to make the decision not to go. Hey, we going to the country. You won't come? Hell no. I see you when you get back.
Wow.
And I don't know. Look, going to the country drastically changed for me after my grandfather died. So sometimes I would go, sometimes I wouldn't go.
Mm.
And sometimes it would be just me, my brother, and my daddy. Or we'll be going up there to get my brother because we done came down there and got him. That one was soft. But as my daddy got older, I started to bring him up there. You know, it was before my mama died. And me and my daddy, you know, we'll do little renovation jobs on the homestead, so to speak. And sometimes we'll go up there and stay up there for weeks. We'll bring the ice chest, which made no sense to me because the refrigerator worked. And he would have me bring him around to his friends or whatever. I'd be his driver because he couldn't drive at night, even though he would like to try. And them cops out there is dicks. So I guess he ain't gonna get caught driving at night because it was on his license. And I remember one night I dropped him off at the bar. I said, you ain't gonna be out here all night. Cause you know I go to bed. I said,
And she do that shit to this day.
what?
She'll go to sleep on your ass. I'm like, I hope you ain't gonna be out here all day because I go to bed. She do that. I'm like, oh,
I
go to
said,
sleep.
I give you from 10:30 to 11, but I'm coming to get you.
Your daddy?
My daddy. He would have did it to me.
Wow.
He'd be like, don't worry about it. I'm going to have my partner bring me home. All right then. Because you know I goes to bed.
And she'll go to bed on you. She ain't lying. She is definitely not lying. She will go to sleep on your ass quick. They go, where me all at? She sleep. She did, like, when we have parties here or whatever, and Alonzo here, or even if Alonzo not here, who be ducked out first? She be gone. She be like, damn, you turn around, where me all at? She in the room. Oh, she went to the bathroom? No, she's in the room for the night. She sleep. Like, sleep? The party's just getting started. She sleep. She sleep. They're like, come on, Mel. It don't make no sense to be hollering. She sleep. Shit. What you ain't hearing? Girl, come out that bathroom. She ain't in no bathroom. She sleep. She fucking sleep. She been got her drink, whatever, got her something to eat or whatever, play some cards, bust some ass, whatever. Look. And some bones or whatever. And she sleep. She's out. She out. She be like, she be jokes. She be out.
And that's why I don't know why they chose to do game night at somebody else's
I
house.
don't know, man. But you didn't say anything. You ain't say, well, we could have did it here.
They didn't want to hear that. She just so happy about her little house.
Yeah, and I'm happy for her. I'm
And
happy
she
for her.
think
You know what I
everybody.
mean? Ain't nothing wrong with that. You know, it's just
I'm just saying.
I just feel game night should be here.
She feel like we missed the last party.
Right.
We gonna
But we
make our
really missed
private
it.
party.
Oh well, yeah. Like,
Cause think about it. She was like, all them people who came last time, they not coming.
yep.
It's just gonna be us. Like, wait,
Right.
what the fuck we doing? Some kind of voodoo seance or
Right.
some shit?
Right. She was like, they're not coming. It's just gonna be us. You know. So I gotta go get the drinks, and I bought whole chicken wings. I'm not cutting them things up. I'm not cutting them. Who don't get, just don't get. Cause I mean, what? That's 5 in the pack. That's 20 pieces. You mean to tell me everybody can't have 2 pieces of chicken?
Not that many people gonna be there.
That's what I'm saying. You know, I'm sure they probably could get 3.
Right. If it's only gonna be us 4, I'm canceling.
Ain't gonna be us 4. Wait, what 4? And her friend coming too.
That's why she hollering about make beans. I know it is.
Yeah.
Bitch, learn how to
She
cook.
likes to show off your talents, B. You're like, this is how you make beans. This is how you make beans. Not like this, like this. Don't make that no more, make this. You know what I'm saying? Don't do that no more. Leave that alone. This is how you make beans. Like this, not that. Leave that shit. You know what I'm saying? That's how, you know, she get me. That's how she put me in the mind of, you know, this is how you make it, not this, not that, you know. I mean, it's gonna be nice. I think it's gonna be nice. You know, we just basically gonna be playing cards, cause don't nobody won't get on them bones, and don't nobody wanna play no cards for money. So, you know.
Okay,
So,
I got something down.
You know, cause he's scared. So, you know, it is what it is.
Who's scared?
Y'all scared.
Who is y'all?
Y'all.
Who is
Y'all, cause y'all don't want to play for no money.
Who is y'all?
Y'all, me and you could bust out the bones for money right now. After we get all this video, we can do it. You ain't said nothing but a word, girl.
Keisha?
Mel.
If you wanted to give me money, you could have just put it in my
Give
pocket.
you money. I told you. There's things that I just never thought I would see in my lifetime. A black president.
You've seen it.
I know. Hurricane Katrina.
You've seen it.
Us moving from New Orleans.
You've seen it.
And me getting beaten Dominoes.
You've seen it.
How many times? Have I seen it many times?
Yes.
Remember when our friends bought that ringer to play me?
Keisha.
You ain't playing
Keisha.
your girl. She
Keisha.
beat me once or twice and thinks she did some major shit. But honestly, when we play bones, we are each other's
Where's
partners.
my phone?
We know how to play each other. What?
Call Hood.
I'm not calling her.
The head came back from that phone.
Call her
Where's
for
that?
what? Call her for what? Call him for what?
To verify.
Verify nothing. He can't verify. You know what? You ain't girl. You ain't
To
scaring
verify
me.
your lying.
Lie.
Because you know he ain't gonna answer that phone.
He gonna answer the phone. He might answer the phone. I don't know. He might. Oh, he could be at work.
Could be. Or he could have not saved your number and don't know who you is and be like, I don't answer numbers I don't know.
Right,
Like,
right.
oh, the FBI
This is his
from,
number, right?
oh, I don't even know where my phone is.
Cause he be calling me and I don't know. Please. I don't need messages.
That's because you don't want that return call. Yeah, cause you remember she threw the table over.
You can't prove that.
Okay, whatever. I guess I don't need all I'm gonna eat, y'all. So thank y'all for watching.
He gonna call after we get off the phone. After we get off.
Right. Man, one day I was whipping Keisha so bad, she turned the table over.
You were
All
whipping
the
me so
Dominoes
bad.
and chips went everywhere.
Oh my God! I know you lying. Why is you lying to these people like that?
You gonna
Why
lie?
is you lying to these good black people?
You gonna lie like that? Cause
And
ain't nobody here to
knows.
back me up. Cause you know you lying. Okay,
We
hold
need
up.
to do a video playing bones for real.
Huh.
We really do. We
No,
need to do a video playing bones. Cause see, she really
I
thinks
know
she
who you
just bad
call.
like that. Oh Lord,
Hold
Jesus.
How your phone go?
Who you looking for?
Hold on, I'm gonna find it. Okay, that's your contacts now.
Mm-hmm. That's my people that I have on what they call it, with, on favorites.
Well, I'm not on there. That's not no favorite. That say no name. That's your son.
Yeah, I don't even know why that's there. Because bitch, you are the first one. Don't go there. Talking about that is my favorites. That's not my brother. Yes, it is. Oh, my bad.
I wasn't trying
He
to
wasn't
call
there.
you out. Damn,
Who you
got
looking for?
all these favorites. This dude right here. I don't know which one his phone number.
Oh, hold up. Just go.
Hey, son.
Yeah.
Was you home that day at the old house when we was playing dominoes and your mama threw the table over?
Yep. I think John's a ball Peter. Yep. I remember that.
Why is you lying?
So you think
See,
it
that's
was
messed up. Yo,
So
she got
you
that boy lying
shut
for
up.
her.
Hello?
So
Yeah.
you think it was joggers or bubble?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, we can call it joggers right now. Joggers will tell you it was my mom that flipped the table because beat my mom with dominoes.
No.
It was not.
It wasn't one of them that was playing.
Bubba and Jarvis could never beat either one of us
Fuck
in
no.
dominoes.
They couldn't beat us blindfolded and
With us blindfolded in our hand behind our back. Okay.
Alright.
Who all was playing that day?
I know who I was playing.
Hello? Who all was playing that day?
What, playing dominoes?
Yeah.
It was my mom, Jones, and mama.
And Dad.
Yeah, and Dad.
I see I'm going to have to, I know who I could get. We going to do a video on it. All right,
All
then,
right,
son.
son.
Thank you.
You on your way?
Yeah.
All right,
All
son.
right.
See you when you get there.
Hey, don't forget my ice.
All right.
All right.
All right, later. Thank you. Nah. See, she herself admits I was at the table.
Yeah, you were at the table, but that don't mean nothing.
You yourself admit that
I said you were at the table.
he might be at work.
You were at the table. Oh, yeah.
Did he answer?
Only one way to find out. He'll call back if he did.
Right. He probably do. You done called him twice.
He was there.
Who was that?
Both of them.
Who? Yeah, but he's at work.
I thought he got off at 9. I thought he got off about this time.
He said 10 o'clock.
Oh, well.
That's the story he told me.
Yep, that's the lie he said. He told. Even so, she was there. She beat me one time, and I did this, like with the table. I said, oh, fuck it. Fuck y'all. I didn't flip no table over. I don't flip tables over. I am sweet and lovable and kind and gentle. I do not flip tables over, people.
Girl, you need your glasses.
What?
Talking about, oh, he get off at that time. No, he don't.
Oh, I thought he did.
So,
Damn, that's early. I thought he got off early. But he was so...
Anyways, her Uncle Bob must have taught her, but I finessed her.
Oh, no, you can't ever take that. Ever.
When we
You're
used
not
to
gonna
play,
ever
I
take
used
that.
to always with
You're
your
not
ass.
ever going to take that. You're
Tell
not
me
ever
when we
gonna
lived
take
in
that.
Shelman, I didn't always with
Girl,
your
you
ass.
will beat me once or twice. You ain't beat me like that, girl.
She gonna lie.
You lying.
You know what? She gonna continue to lie.
You know what? We gonna fucking play dominoes on this motherfucker. We gonna do a video. You ain't gonna see the top of us. You just gonna see us playing these bones. You gonna know it's me because this hand. You know I'm left-handed. So you gonna know it's me and you gonna know it's her. Because you gonna see the lion ashy hand. The ashy lion hand.
Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all be blessed. Y'all have a good one.
We hope y'all enjoyed this video.
Oh, okay.
We love y'all. Y'all take care. Be blessed. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thank you for coming and watching and rocking with us. And until next time, we going to place you down and dig you later. Because I know y'all can pick up what we are putting down. You hear me? Peace. See you later, Ashy hand. Look. Go ahead and Ashy.
My hand not ashy. Well.
Right down that ring. Ashy little hand there.
No, that's the ring.
So.
She's a
Line Ashy hand there.
because she know I beat her.
You beat me up. Look. Honestly,
Later,
she
y'all.
beat me several times. Not like that. I'm the big dog. She know.
Anyways.
She know.
She's just gonna keep lying.
We gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see. Y'all tell us in the comments if y'all want to see that. If y'all made it this far, y'all want to see our game.
Here she goes.
Mm-hmm.
Good night,
We
y'all.
gonna play 3
Y'all be
games,
blessed.
yeah.
Thanks for watching. Peace out.